Goes. To go somewhere regularly. Evelyn goes to dance class each week. She does that each week, so she does it regularly. Jenna goes to hockey practice twice a week. Say one of our sentences or come up with your own.
Your turn! Wordplay?
Goes. Our first sound is G, and that is our letter G. The rest of our word is O's, and in this word, it is formed by O-E-S. Goes. G-O-E-S.
Wrap up?
Goes. To go somewhere regularly. We hope you have enjoyed adding goes to your word chest. This is where you put all the words you know. Farewell.